going to do... Sorry, I have to clear my throat. I'm trying to whisper because they're snoring. Anyway, right, so what I'm going to do is I had this spare card stock in my craft space. I've got loads of card, as you know. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a game and we're going to play it when they wake up. So I'm just going to punch it out for now. So what we're going to do, I've just noticed this craft punch has got loads of dust on it. It's been sitting in my craft space. But it is a circle. You can use any shape. I'm only using the craft punch because it's a lot easier for me to use. So I'm just going to punch out loads of different shapes. This isn't working. It's not having it. There we go. There's one. That's two. And then we're going to make a memory game. I'm going to try to punch out as much as I can without waking the kids up. Really, we should do this with some cards, but basically this is just whatever scraps you've got in your house. Really, I should have cut them in squares. Squares probably would have been easier and would have saved a lot of card as well. But we're just going to play a memory game. So cut out as many shapes as you can get. That might be a bit obvious, but let's do it anyway. Let's just save the card. Save the card. Let them know it's Corona time. So basically what we're going to do is I've only cut out a few just to show you. So we have loads of different pieces of card. So we're going to turn them over and we're going to put either a number or a symbol. So I am going to do numbers. So you're going to need a piece of, you're going to need a pen. So let's just do 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Don't need that one, that's too many. 6, 6. And the idea of the game is you turn them all over, you spread them out, and you get your children to try to remember where each one is. And the more you do, the longer the game will take, and the more you keep the children occupied. My girls are snoring away. My youngest one snores, my oldest one doesn't. But my oldest one talks in her sleep. She goes, So yes, so the idea will be pick 2 cards, girls. I'm going to pick this one and I'm going to pick this one. That doesn't match, so you turn them over. The next person goes, and then you like pick 2 cards and the person will go this one and this one. That's not a match, so you turn it over. And then the idea is to see if you can find the same card. It would be this one and this one. Hey, I made a match. I found a 5 and a 5. But that's the idea. A quick little game to keep you and the kids occupied in this time. You shuffle them around and then spread them out. You can play it again, but it doesn't have to be with circles. It can be squares, it can be cards, it can be anything, bits and pieces of paper. But the idea of the game is that you can keep each other occupied in this time. So have fun, guys, stay occupied, and let's just get through this Corona time and stay occupied. And thanks for watching. Right, so how you play the game, you're going to want to, this is a memory game. So what you're going to want to do is pick a card, turn it over, find another one, turn it over, and you're going to try to remember where each number was. So separate them. So who's going to go first?
Me.
All right, go on, pick a card, turn it over. 4. Pick another one, turn it over. 2. All right. So turn them back over now. And then you can go, Leah. See if you can remember. What card have you got? Yes!
4.
Oh, too close. I'm going to win it. I'm going to win it. So you got to remember where it was. So these ones are my counters now. Your turn.
3.
All right, where's the other one? Oh, nearly.
You took my 4, Mummy.
No, you're supposed to match the numbers. Go on, you try another one, Leah.
You took my number.
Yay!
Kitty with rush.
All right. Is it my turn?
Yeah.
I'm going to try here. Oh, wait. Yay! Mummy's on a roll. All right. Go on, your turn. Ooh.
5.
All right, go on.
2. 5.
That's your. No, that's not.
What?
You're trying to cheat already.